had to come back into the van to get my beanie and my gloves. It is so cold out there right now. I was so excited about today's adventure, I didn't even mention what I was doing. I am chasing waterfalls, and right now I'm at Multnomah Falls. Let's get back to it. Windy too, so there's a wind chill, and we're in a wind tunnel right now, so it's very, very cold. I am not used to this type of weather. I feel like a baby, but my fingertips are already going numb, and they're cold, they're red. So I just had to come back and get some stuff. All right, and there we are. I hope you can hear me. It is so windy right now, but that is the famous Multnomah Falls. You can't see it, but the bridge is like right there. And if you didn't know, you could see Multnomah Falls straight from the parking lot or the highway. You don't even have to hike to this one. There is a hiking trail that goes around, and you can go up to the very top of the waterfall. We're not doing that today, but first one on the list, Multnomah Falls. There's a big long grass patch in the middle of the parking, and the dogs are going crazy. They love the grass. I don't think they even feel the cold. They're just having so much fun running around right now. Yeah, the dogs needed this just as much as we did.
Is that my belt loop? Yep.
Your belt loop broke?
Yeah, Frank ran
With Frank on it, yeah.
Ripped it off.
Uh-oh. The boys are excited. The boys are excited to be out of the van.
And the camera is going to automatically do the opposite of what you're asking for.
And there's the second waterfall.
Wow. Oh, met de koud. 850. Around 850. But if you think about it, it's in your truck. It's a good deal. Yeah, because a piano moving company is going to charge you $1,500. So you actually save money for it.
So it was way too crowded up there on that bridge. we're here on a Saturday, so yeah, it's kind of a no-go. But I mean, Multnomah Falls is Multnomah Falls, you know? Also, it's a lot less cold over here than it was in the parking spot. And I think that's just because it's a massive wind tunnel and you get that wind chill. So I don't have my gloves on right now. I actually feel kind of warm after that little hike. And Sam thinks he's a little human. He wants to sit on the bench with me. Whoa! Oh! Frank is in his little backpack, and this is his backpack. Like, he loves this thing so much. Every time we pull it out, he tries to hop right in, but he was acting up a little bit, so he needed to relax in here. We're about to cross under a train. Ah! Let's go. That's crazy! I love it. So our plan to go farther up the main highway and then turn out onto the old historic highway is a little bit of a bust, at least the way that I originally planned, because there's a restoration construction going on right at Multnomah Falls. So we're having to go all the way back, almost all the way back down the main highway, and then get on to the old highway and then go all the way back up. But we're chasing waterfalls today, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we made it to a point. I was seeing this spot, Vista House, on the map, but it's literally a stop on the highway. So of course we had to stop, and we're taking a look. And I'm sure you can tell it is very, very windy. It's literally just like jutting out.
In 400 feet, turn right onto historic Colombia River Highway.
So it's closed right now. This place looks pretty cool. At least we could walk around it. Oh, there's an upstairs. love being pushed around by the wind. Makes me feel small. Vista House. That's the main highway right there. And then this is the old highway. Are you ready for another adventure? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, shit. Good. And the backpack? All right, we just came down those steps. There's a little creek here. Oh,
Okay.
past Chris's production. And then there's some more steps over that way to see the falls. I've been to this falls once before with my friend who came to visit me 2 years ago in February. And it was cold, it was icy, the whole trail was icy. We had to like crawl down the hill, which is kind of crazy. You have to go down the mountain to see the waterfalls. But this place is awesome. We spent so much time here taking pictures, just hanging out, having fun. It was awesome. So the waterfall is right there. And the vantage point is just right across.
Nothing like it. It's time to do it again. What I'm down to do is do it again.
Big step, big step. Good job. Big step. Here. Oh, good job.
Can I show you on you?
got little Frankie here with me. Sam is now in the backpack. That's it. We saw a lot of waterfalls on the side of the road. Like, we couldn't stop, they were just there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna go get some food. We haven't eaten all day. And we'll see you next time. Bye.